What'd you make this out of?
An old 78 Toyota pickup.
A 78 Toyota pickup truck?
Yeah.
Turned into a...
Dump box.
Into a dump box, huh? Well, show us how it works. Pretty slick. You just got one battery in there?
Yeah. A deep cycle blind battery.
Nice. Do your lights work?
I don't have them plugged in right now.
Not plugged in yet? What's the biggest load you've hauled in it so far?
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet? Haven't tried it yet?
Uh-uh.
Got the S10 tow wagon. Nice. And you did all that fabricating and welding?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What do you got? A stick welder, buzz box?
I got two stick welders and 2 wire feeds.
Oh, nice.
This here came off of a lumber rack off of a 1-ton van.
Oh, lumber rack. Nice.
This part here used to be hooked in that went out.
Oh, yeah. So you cut it and changed it? No?
Every so often it had a bolt hold in it.
Oh, so you just
clamp that held.
You just unbolted her? Huh. Nice. You gonna use it to take trash to the dump?
Mostly firewood.
Firewood. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Where's the motor at? On the other side?
On the other side.
Oh, well, you got to see that. Got the electric. Got the electric jack.
Yep. It came off of one of my travel trailers I was building.
Oh, it came off a travel trailer? Oh, man, you got enough pump there, don't you?
The same one you got on that 1-ton probably.
Probably. Where'd you get the cylinder at?
DJ secondhand.
Oh, down at the secondhand shop?
Yep.
And what were you saying this ratchet strap's all about?
Okay.
What were you saying this ratchet strap's for?
Oh, to keep this down. See, I still got to put a bolt right here to
so you're
down.
Oh yeah. Why you don't want to just weld that?
I tried welding it.
Oh, it didn't want to weld?
Well, the piece I had before was a piece of galvanized.
Oh, it was galvanized, huh?
And it doesn't weld very good unless you get all the galvanized stuff off.
Oh, so you're just gonna bolt it, huh? And it's just gravity down, not power down?
Mm-mm.
Well, let's see it. Let's see it go down. What do we got here? This is a boat roller and a piece of channel iron.
No, that's actually two.
Oh, 2 pieces of angle.
Piece of an angle iron
With a plate.
with a plate in
2
between.
pieces of angle with a plate, huh? Oh, B. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. She's a work wagon. Oh, and we got the spotlights up on top. Are them for getting firewood too?
Well, what I'm thinking of doing is taking those 2 lights and turning them around.
Uh-huh.
So like if at night I got to dump, I can see where it's going.
You can see where you're dumping at night. Yep. What do you think? You put a half a cord in there?
Probably.
Yeah. Do you stack it in or just throw it in? What do you usually do?
I usually just throw it in.
Just throw it in. Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Takes twice as long.
Oh, you're missing a lug nut.
Huh?
You're missing a lug nut.
Yeah.
You already knew that?
Yep.
Let's check the other side. You missing one over there? Well, it looks,
Yep.
you got nylocks on there. That's good.
Yep.
You didn't want to use grade 8 bolts there? You think that, what are them, grade 5s? They're
Probably.
strong, they're strong enough? Well, this one's got all its lugs. How much pressure are you running in them there tires? 30 pounds?
I don't know. Those are actually the tires off of my boat trailer.
Oh, those are off your boat trailer. How many different bits and pieces you think are culminated here? 4 or 5? 6?
Probably.
Yep. Hey, it works, man. That's half the job, is unloading the firewood after you get back, huh?
Yeah.
Well, now you just hit a button. As long as you got a good battery, you just hit a button.
Yep.
I see.
Well, plus, I haven't put the wire in.
Yeah. Oh, looky here. You got a big heavy-duty charger cable. To keep it charged up?
No, if that battery dies,
If that battery...
just hook the pump right up to my...
Right up to your truck. What do you got back here? Right above your license plate and your hitch.
What?
What's that?
Backup camera.
Oh, a backup camera.
That's how I hook up my trailer.
That's how you hook up your trailer?
Last
Nice.
time I had Dad do it, help me. It took me an hour.
It took you an hour, and now it don't take you but a...
This way, no that way. Forward, back.
Now it just takes you a couple minutes, huh?
Yep.
Back right up to it?
Yep.
Well, thanks for sharing your dump trailer project. That's pretty cool.
Yep. Mine didn't cost me as much as yours.
Well, how much you think yours cost you?
Only 300.
You got 300 bucks into her.
Well, 400 if you count the $100 battery.
Oh, 400 with the battery. Yep. Yeah, yours is a little cheaper than mine. Both of them are cheaper than my buddies. Yes, sir. That's how we get it done up in the hills, huh?
Yep.
That's right.